This is just a quick video about my Blue Spark SL. I have been very happy with the microphone, but recently it started doing some humming noises, and it's only when I touch the microphone, but I don't think it's a good sign. I don't normally have my microphone set up like this. I normally have it in the upright position or hanging down, upside down. But for this, I figured I'd put it sideways just so you can see what I'm doing. So just listen carefully. I would recommend you put headphones on or else you may not hear this, but here goes. Ready? That's me literally just touching the blue logo right now. That can't be good. Anywhere on the body. Now I'm touching the base. Top seems to be okay. But listen to it when I touch the blue logo. Ready? That can't be good. So I guess I bought it at Guitar Center. Maybe I can bring it back there. I've had it for probably a month or two. Certainly within the manufacturer's warranty, so I'll have to either contact Blue or bring it back to Guitar Center. Maybe they can give me a replacement and they can go fight the good fight to go get a replacement microphone. But anyways, the sound when you don't touch it, I guess, is pretty good. But unfortunately, when you touch it, it's a problem. And obviously, there's something going on in here within the internals that's causing it. I'll do it one more time. Can you hear that? You've got to be able to hear that because it's super loud in my headphones. So anyways, just be buyer beware. There are some quality control issues with these Blue microphones, despite the fact that they are, I think, a pretty good value and they sound really, really good too. So anyways, I hope you found this video helpful.